Operating your own business is a huge task, and it can feel like there is always more to do. That's why it is beneficial to know where your business is and where it can go. Data analytics help to grow your businesses and aid in setting financial and performance goals, while also helping you reach them. Financial forecasting analyzes your profit and business expenditure, which helps you set benchmarks for future goals. The data is sourced from your accounting software, and then using forecasting apps like Microsoft PowerBi, Futrli, Syft, Float, or Gini is displayed on your dashboard. If building a financial forecast is something you want to do, here are some easy steps to get it started. First, you want to get an idea of your current financial performance. Then set goals based on what targets you are looking to hit, whether it's improved sales, upgraded business systems, or better productivity, etc. Now outline your strategies. How are you going to meet these targets? This will differ based on your goals, but this can be done through new marketing, hiring new staff, or releasing a new product. This information makes it easier to then monitor the performance of your chosen strategy and track how the shift has impacted your business, while also giving you the power to change if your chosen strategy is unsuccessful or underperforming. Now with goals, it's crucial to keep an eye on them to ensure you aren't distracted by other factors. There are other things to keep in mind when forecasting. Capital expenditures like new projects, new equipment, repayments, staff training, or building out will have an impact on your projections. Most of these apps follow the 3-statement model, which is profit and loss, cash flow, and balance sheet. Your forecasts can be altered if necessary because, as we know, operating a business is often unpredictable. The important part in adopting any digital tool is finding the one that works for you. Be selective about what user interface is easy for you to navigate, what features cater to your specific needs, and what payment model you are looking for. This can help narrow down your options if you'd prefer the free plans or to utilize vendors' free trial options. If you are still feeling a little unsure, more advice can be found on business.govt.nz or chat to other businesses in similar positions to see what they recommend. Forecasting when money will come in and out will help you plan for your future. Being able to predict peaks and troughs helps you avoid financial difficulties. It's also a vital business planning tool. Use cash flow forecasts to plan for expansion and growth without overstretching your resources.